Okay, self-assessment round two, assignment two. Explain what is an abstract class and why we should use an abstract class. Okay. Sorry. An abstract class is basically a class with at least one pure virtual function. Pure virtual function, as we know, is a virtual function that has been declared equal to zero. So the use of an abstract class is basically the object that class's objects cannot be created. Rather, once a class is made of abstract, it can no longer have objects that are created. Okay. Its use case is basically it's like a skeleton. It's like a rule book for others. Like, for example, if I have a class A and class B, class A has one pure virtual function, and class B needs to implement, or it's inheriting from class A. So what happens is that in class B, I need to override that pure virtual function, else I cannot create the object of class B, because if not overridden, if the pure virtual function is not overridden, the derived class is also the derived class also becomes an abstract class. So it's like a way to implement what do you call it, certain functions in all derived classes. Okay, what is a pure abstract class and its use case? Okay, a pure abstract class is basically like a pure abstract class is basically a class in which all it has no data members and only member functions, and all member functions are abstract classes. Sorry, not abstract classes. Sorry, all member functions are pure virtual functions. Now, the use case of this is that it acts like a intermediary between the compiler and the user. The user must, or rather the programmer must implement all of those member functions, else it simply won't compile. Explain interfaces in C++. Okay. So interfaces are basically they are an interface basically tells us the behavior of the uh, class without actually committing to it. Uh, this is achieved through the usage of abstract classes. Next is we're done.